Wouldn't it be really nice if you just think about something and it happens? You can achieve your goals just by thinking about it. Well, that can happen, and this is really different from daydreaming. In daydreaming, we just think about something, but that doesn't happen. We are going to teach you law of attraction. What is law of attraction? How to practice law of attraction? What are some common analogies regarding law of attraction, and so much more. Also, make sure to stick till the end of the video, because I'm going to tell you the number one, the most common mistake that each and every person is doing, which is slowing their performance. So stay tuned, grab your notepad, because we are already started. Hello there, I am Manav and you are watching Prior Self, and this is what we do. We prioritize our future self. If you want to improve your future self, if you want to achieve peak performance, make sure to start your journey right now by subscribing to this channel. Also, don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss anything. Law of attraction is a very fundamental philosophy, and it suggests only one thing. It says that if you think positively, positive things are going to happen to you, and if you think negatively, negative things are going to happen to you. In other words, we can also say that our thoughts can shape our future. Let me tell you how this law of attraction works. Well, this law of attraction is totally based on the belief that our thoughts are energy. So for a moment, let's think of our thoughts as an energy. If we think positive, we have positive energy. Positive energy only attracts success. Positive energy only attracts happiness. Positive energy attracts success in all the fields: health, finance, studies, business, everything. If we are thinking positively, we are attracting positive things to ourselves. And I hope you are getting the idea that negative energy does the opposite. Negative energy will attract failure, will attract jealousy, will attract anger, mood shifts. No matter how hard you are trying, if your body consists of that negative energy, you are not going to get anything except failures. You have to accept that fact. Now let me stop you for a moment. Law of attraction can get a little hard sometimes, and it can be as complicated as it can be. So let's just break down this law of attraction. Now let's think of this law of attraction as gravity. What does gravity do? I hope you know gravity. Gravity is just a pull that our earth applies on us, applies on each and everything, and pulls it toward itself. See, if I toss a coin like this, it comes down because of gravity. If we try to jump, we get pulled down by gravity. Similarly, law of attraction is the same thing. Similarly, everything is constantly revolving around us, and it's just a matter of time when we focus on something and we get something. Now again, if we focus on positive things, we will get positive things. If we focus on negative things, we will attract negative things. To get an in-depth understanding in this law of attraction, let me give you another example. Suppose you want to buy a red car, or you want to just rent an apartment with wooden flooring. And now as you get out of your house and do whatever you are supposed to do, you will notice each and every red car going by. And as you start looking up different real estate, as you start looking up different houses, first thing you will notice is the flooring. Is it kind of wooden that you wanted? That is the thing that you are going to focus first when you visit an apartment. That is how law of attraction works. I meant that these red cars doesn't appear out of nowhere. They did not appear magically. They were there. We were just not focusing on them. If you want to buy a black car, you will focus on black cars. If you want to buy a certain kind of brand, you will focus on that particular brand, right? What insights are you getting right now? Do you really think that universe is putting you and your desire close enough so that you can get what you want? Is it really happening? Please mention that in comment box down below. I will really appreciate your comments. I will really like to know what you think, how you think, so that I can create similar content for you as well. Let's move on to how to practice this law of attraction. And as you might know me, whenever I talk about how-tos and tips and tricks, I always make a list and tell them to you. And that is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to tell you 6. These are not 6. I'm going to tell you 6 tips on how to practice law of attraction. First of all, you need to create goals. You need to have certain desires so that you can focus on them in the first place, right? Next thing you can do is that you can revisit them each and every chance you can get. And for that matter, you can actually write these goals down on note cards or You can save them as sticky notes in your laptop. You can actually set a wallpaper regarding what your goal is, because that is going to help us do the third tip, that is to visualize them each and every moment. If you want to achieve something, for example, if you want to achieve a certain score like 90 out of 100, you need to visualize yourself as getting 90 out of 100. If you want to learn how to drive a car, you need to visualize yourself as driving a certain car. And as I already told you, that best way to visualize something is by writing it down, which you can opt in the fourth tip. You can actually write and make a list of each and every goal. It can be up to 10 goals, 20 goals, 100 goals, whatever your goals are. Not just short moment goals, long term goals, like after 10 years, after 5 years, whatever you want. You just need to write these goals down. Whenever you have lost your vision, you can actually revisit them and learn something from yourself. In the fifth tip, you need to get out of your comfort zone. Law of attraction is all about thought process, and if you want a confident thought process, if you want to control over your thoughts, what you are thinking, if you are thinking positive or not, and even if you are thinking negative, you have the power to control that thought and shift it towards a positive direction. For that matter, you need to get out of your comfort zone. You need to try different things. You need to try harder things, so that you can build up that confidence, you can build up that self-esteem about yourself. And sixth and the final tip on how to practice law of attraction is that you need to get out of these negativity. There is a very slight chance that these negative emotions, these jealousy, these angers can help you at all. Get rid of negativity, start attracting yourself to positive things. Think yourself as the earth and your goals as the coin that I tossed few minutes ago. Even if your positive thoughts go away, you need to have that control so that you can bring that thought back to you. That is how law of attraction works. Let us take a real life example on how Terry got 90 marks out of 100 marks using law of attraction. He was intrigued by it and he wanted to try it. So he thought, let me think about 90 marks out of 100. I will just think about it all the time and I will get right. Terry did the same, but things didn't work out for him and he just only scored 60 marks out of 100. What do you think Terry did wrong? Well, you can tell me that in the comment box down below. Pause this video right down and tell me in the comment box down below. What Terry did wrong right here is that he actually forgot the real definition of law of attraction. In law of attraction, universe will put you and your desire close enough so that you can get what you want. But journey you have to take till the destination is completely depend on your efforts. In the next upcoming test, he decided to work hard upon himself. He always visualized himself getting 90 marks out of 100, which he was doing initially as well. But the thing that he was doing different this time, that he was actually working on his goal. He created a list of each and every formula he wanted to remember. He even pasted that on sticky notes in his laptop. He even changed the wallpaper of his PC. And as you can expect, Terry did great. He even got 95 marks out of 100 because he actually unleashed the power of law of attraction. So here are 3 things that you have to learn from Terry. First, don't just sit around and wait for something to happen. Nothing is going to happen on its own. You have to get in the field, you have to work, you have to put efforts in order to let something happen. Second thing is that you need to be persistent enough to stand up even after falling. Third thing is that you need to start loving yourself, you need to start taking care of yourself. The more you feel good about yourself, the more positive thoughts are going to come. Everything is linked. Each and every aspect of your life is somehow connected to your success. And that was all about law of attraction. I basically told you what the fundamental law of attraction is, what are common misbeliefs about law of attraction, how to practice this law of attraction, and some things that you need to take care about if you are practicing this law. The most important part of this video was that you need to start doing something, because law of attraction is just about thoughts, and it is going to only work if your thoughts are clean. If your thoughts are positive, then you are going to attract positive things towards you. Now let me tell you the number one, the most common thing that most of the people fail to do, that is delaying their success. It is that they are underestimating or overestimating themselves. Thinking bad about yourself is not good, but thinking overconfident about yourself is not good either. You need to find that fine point where you are not shy and not out of control either. Stop underestimating yourself, stop overestimating yourself. And that's it from me today. today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you let me know by liking this video, and if you share this video to other people, you are motivating them, and that is really helping them, which will help you as well, and it will help me as well. I hope you really learned something today, and I will see you in another video another time very soon. Until then, peace out.